guys, we need to get this thing ready because we're just going to have to drag it out for us to bake on.
We're at the CCL, Center for Creative Learning. We wrote a play in the first quarter and put it on in the second quarter.
They started by writing stories, and then they voted for the story that they wanted to turn into a play, and then they made it into a script, and then they had auditions for parts in the play. So Gracie is going to get us started.
Welcome to our show, The Cooking Kings. At some schools, they have book clubs or sports teams. At my school, we have a baking team.
It's a lot of fun seeing other people perform.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun to see people perform and
to pretend to be somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay, class, the competition is tomorrow. Here's how it works. We're going to a building about half an hour away from here that has all the equipment you'll need. Oh, look at the time.
I like whenever the parents always laugh and like our jokes. That's what I like the most, and seeing our parents watch us.
I mean, come on, 30 minutes sitting, this is what happens? Wait, hold your horses! I think I got an idea!
But it was good to be with our team and work with them.
Making up the funny parts.
Yeah.
Especially making up Donna.
Well, it's over. Why are you still here?